In this video, we explore how to generate income on YouTube without the need to create your own videos. We will cover the strategies you need to know. Learn how to effectively run profitable YouTube channels and aim for a six-figure income. Introducing Tube Mastery and Monetization. This program provides a step-by-step guide to starting, growing, and monetizing a channel, even if you have no prior business experience or technical skills. Let's take a closer look at the blueprint for success. The process is divided into 3 stages: the beta phase for planning, the intermediate phase for uploading content, and the scaling phase for outsourcing. Selecting the right niche is foundational to your channel's future performance. Module 2 focuses on niche selection, market research, and identifying high CPM topics. You will also receive a list of over 100 profitable niche ideas. Next, we will uncover the secret process for keyword research. Module 3 covers setting up your channel for success, including our 33 rule, essential tools, SEO strategies, and content planning. Efficiency is key. We will show you how to systematize your video production workflow. Module 4 guides you through uploading videos. Topics include viral video anatomy, finding free content, editing, and creating high click-through rate thumbnails. Discover what it actually takes to go viral on YouTube. Module 5 is the growth module. Here, we analyze YouTube metrics, break down common misconceptions about virality, and discuss the best times to publish your videos. Finally, let's discuss how to monetize your channel effectively. Module 6 is all about monetization. Learn how to outperform average earnings and discover the specific methods used to generate revenue through your YouTube content. Now, let's explore scaling your channel by building a video creation assembly line. Module 7 focuses on scaling. You will learn to hire content creators and set up an efficient assembly line. We even include bonus scripts to help you find and hire employees. Members also get exclusive access to our student Facebook group, a place to connect and collaborate. Join our mastermind group to strategize, get help from fellow students, and receive guidance directly from Matt Park. We also provide detailed case studies to give you real-world examples. Our case studies course analyzes various successful channels across different niches to help you decide which path is right for you. We want you to have all the tools necessary for your success. To help you choose the best direction, we provide a list of over 100 profitable niches, complete with example channels you can use for inspiration. This is your opportunity to learn how to master the platform and generate income without ever needing to record your own videos. Start your free training today. You will learn the new way to approach YouTube, how to pick a niche, and how to leverage the algorithm for rapid growth. Don't wait. Click the link provided to begin your journey toward building a profitable YouTube channel.